everyone, Gil here with Graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a meal plan. Now, yesterday we talked about going through and auditing all the food you have in your house so you know what you have. Well, now we're going to start planning out what meals you want to make. Now, there is a little pitfall here that some people fall into. It's called laziness. And when you make out a meal plan, some say, oh, okay, we're going to have cereal for breakfast every day. We're going to have sandwiches for lunch. And then we just mix up dinner. Some people can get by with that. A lot of people, if they have the exact same cereal every day, they're going to get what's called food fatigue. Same thing with, you have the same lunch every day. We're going to have bologna sandwiches every day. They're going to get tired of it. So what you have to do is to start out to mix it up. So what I usually do is I have people set up a 7-day breakfast, lunch, and dinner meal plan, and they fill it out. I tell them, whatever you put on there, you can't repeat it more than twice during the week. So breakfast, cereal. Okay, yes, well, there's several different types of cereal. We can have a hot cereal one day, a cold cereal another day. We can have a cereal you put milk on. There's a cereal that to do it the oven. You have cereal that you don't put milk on. Some people like to just eat take the shredded mini shredded wheats and just eat those like a snack. There are other hot breakfasts besides like oatmeal or malt oatmeal, something like that, such as good English muffin. Put some bacon on it, slice of cheese, maybe scramble an egg up on it, or just doing eggs and bacon and something else for breakfast. Mix it up so you're doing stuff so you don't get food fatigue. Next thing you need to do is work on the lunches. Same thing. All right, we're bologna sandwich every week. No more. Should have no more than 2 or 3 that repeat during the week. So you have peanut butter and jam. I changed up the types of jam. You can have like a cold cuts on it, mix them up. Turkey sandwich one day, bologna sandwich another day. Roast beef sandwich another day. Mix them up a little bit. Do one that's like a hot sandwich, like a hot Reuben or a roast beef au jus sandwich. Mix them up so you don't get food fatigue. Plan it out so you can do it. So all right, okay, so every Tuesday lunch is going to be a bologna sandwich. Every Friday lunch is going to be a BLT. Mix them up a little bit. Dinners, same thing. You can set some that are going to be the same every day of the week. Like some people like to have Taco Tuesday or Pizza Friday, but don't do every day of the week is the same for week after week. After a while, it just gets boring too. Change it up, break it out, throw a little twist on it on different things. So first you do 1 week. Once you have that 1 week down, then you do the second week. Do not repeat the first week, the second week, all the way across the board. You can have some things repeat, but not everything. So work it in. When you look at everything you want to eat, types of meals you want to eat, you can plug them in. Now, one way to do this is you just start making a list of meals, not a plan to when you're going to have it, types of meals you'd like to eat. All right, we'd like taco soup. We like spaghetti. We like tacos. We like burritos. We like quesadillas. And just start making a list. And then you'll find out you can mix them around. And all of a sudden, instead of having sandwiches for lunch, we're going to have quesadillas for lunch. Or we're going to have leftover spaghetti from the night before. And now you work going through your meal plan until you have a 4-week meal plan. Once you have that, there's 2 ways you go now. One way you start doing the second 4 weeks. The other way is you also start going on what do we need to get to have those meals that we like, and you make sure we have the supplies for those in the cabinet. All right. Think about it, work on it, and I'll see you around tomorrow.